Is the hide me at the party feature not working on the pop-up? If you can't enable the option, the setting isn't being saved or your profile is still visible during parties. In this video I will show you how to fix hide me at the party on pop-up. The first thing you have to do is to go to pop-up. Then here in this page you will go to profile and you will enter. Then you will click on settings. Here in this page you will click on privacy. Then in this window you will find here show me at the party. Will disable this feature so you can hide it and fix this problem. So please don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.